It's actually, there's one other thing, but I'll let you talk about this first.
Okay, all right.
There's the garage door over there too.
Oh yeah, that's right.
The My Cue.
Okay, so I guess since I'm pulling this over, that I don't know how this is going to look on video because this box is so large, but this was our Christmas 2019 surprise from Mom and Dad, and so it was a big surprise for me, and I was very excited. There's things that, like, opinions that go around about getting a vacuum cleaner for Christmas. I think we're past that now, but I was, as a woman or whatever, I was like really excited to get this because I have 2 kids under age 5, and it's constantly like there's just crumbs and mess all the time. So this is really cool. I'm not going to elaborate on it because I don't know techie stuff, but just from like the mom perspective, like he has synced it to Alexa, so I just say, I wonder if I say it, like she may hear it, like, Alexa, ask Roomba to start cleaning. I don't know if she heard it, but, and then
Nope.
it just, no.
She did.
She did, it's right there.
There it goes. Let's turn it off.
Yeah, because that's gonna be loud. But anyways, yeah, I figured she would. So anyway, so I can like be doing dishes, and like, so now my routine is kind of like I try to just get everything, like certain rugs and the little toys, and I try to like get all that stuff picked up, and then like maybe I'm doing dishes and I go ahead and ask Alexa to start she probably heard me again, but to start cleaning. So anyway, so it's just something I can do verbal. I can do it in the midst of doing all the other mom tasks that happen, especially at night when it becomes after dinner, bath time, bedtime, all of that. So this is just really cool. I don't know, what do you want to say about this?
Well, I was gonna say you probably started everybody else's Roombas too.
Oh yeah, that's true. That's funny. Okay. So you wanted to talk about the garage door.
Oh, well, I was gonna say too, you mentioned about getting a vacuum cleaner for Christmas, but I would say there's definitely a difference between getting like an old dirt nibble or a Roomba.
Yeah, or
but
one that's
I would
gonna
even
like
say
do
like
it for you.
I would even say like the Dyson is like, you know, the stick Dyson is a nice vacuum too.
Yeah.
You know, it's very as being like, you could tell them that, you know, probably being a mother, it's just convenient because kids are gonna make messes, and you don't have to get out and plug it in. You know, it's not a smart device, but it is. You know,
it's a quick like pull it off, clean that, put it back. Yeah, I've enjoyed the Dyson too. So, I guess talk about the garage door. I thought there was one other thing I was gonna say, but talk about the garage
so the garage door. So we don't have a box for that because that came in a big box. When I bought the garage door and replaced it, the smart device, the Wi-Fi and everything was already built into the garage door opener. So I've got the Chamberlain MyQ garage door opener, and it works very good. You know, you can download the app, it connects to your Wi-Fi, you can see whether or not your garage door is open, you can close it remotely, you know, check the status of it. The only thing I don't like about it is the smart support for it. Like, and maybe some people that, you know, like I know she's not big into the locks yet, and we don't really have any locks yet, as far as, you know, having your smart assistant open or close, or open and unlock, you know, your devices, whether it's door locks or garage door. Chamberlain does offer if this then that support to where you can close it, and I believe that's about it. And of course they charge $1 a month, or you can have an annual fee of $10 a year. I just saw recently that they do have a free trial. I don't know how long it lasts. Didn't have to put the credit card information in there. It does work. I know there's people out there that's created Alexa skills and they try to publish it, of course, but Chamberlain, they've taken it down. They say security reasons and everything, but if it was really security reasons, why would they charge you $1 for it? You know, which to me is kind of ridiculous. All this stuff is free once you buy it. There's no, you know, extra fees associated with it.
Ring doorbell, we have an
Oh,
extra
Ring,
fee.
yeah. And I think there's some out there that might not charge, or there's definitely camera systems out there that don't charge. But the Ring is cool. It works really good, and it's only $30 a month, you know, for subscription. It's actually doing something, you know, recording videos, as opposed to, you know, just and you still get the voice activation whether or not you pay for it, you know, whereas the doorbell or the garage door, if you want your garage door to close, you know, you got to pay $1 a month, you know, through your voice, you know. But I actually found an app, like a workaround through that, and I don't know how long it's going to take Chamberlain to catch on to that, but I'm actually able to open it, close it, check the status, but I didn't do the open. I just only wanted to be able to close it, and so.
Okay, so I think that kind of covers all of our smart devices that we're kind of using at the time, and we have given an overview. There's no telling how long this video has been and how I will cut it and edit it so that it's not too long, but so that's our overview. And if you have any questions, like we said, put it down in the comments. We'd love for you to like this video. And if you need any of these devices or want any of these devices, like we said, the links are below. I think that covers everything. We're, you know, we hope to make more videos, and we hope that the videos are based upon what you want us to make. So may the adventures that lie ahead bring you joy, growth, and experiences that inspire you to be the best teacher and mom God created you to be, or whatever you might be, dad, or whoever might be watching today.
Or a tech guy, right?
Tech guy, yes, whoever is here. So have a happy day.